Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Surprise video in the middle of the week on a day I don't normally upload because my Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson conspiracy collection came in and I want to show you guys, you know, like an unboxing, I guess is what you would call it. So I blacked out the name and address and all that so nobody comes to kill me. I'm struggling. Oh, we got it. We're going. Also, SARS, if you hear my baby and my baby daddy, they're in the living room. Okay, so also, important to know, James is screaming. Important to know, the only Jeffree Star stuff I own is from the Summer Mystery Box. Yeah, the Summer Mystery Box. So I'm super excited to open all of this. It's all packaged super, super pretty. So there's lots of tissue and bubble wrap to make sure, you know, nothing breaks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So here is the larger palette. This is the conspiracy palette. Look how pretty this packaging is. I'm dying. Okay, so it's so pretty. Okay, so this packaging is super heavy. I like the design of it. The only thing I'm concerned about is storing it because it is super large, but let's look. Oh my god. Okay, so we've got a mirror and it seems like this is setting up on its own a little bit. These shades are so pretty. Look at that. Low-key, my favorite shades, just like off of looking at it, are Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, and Illuminati. Not gonna lie. And Diet Cola. Diet Cola looks gorgeous. I'm not gonna swatch these in this video because there's like a bajillion of these swatches. But yeah. So that's the main conspiracy palette. Let's get the little baby. This is the mini controversy palette. All of this packaging is super nice. Everything is very weighted and heavy and looks awesome. So this one is a lot more like storage friendly. Like just looking at the sizes, this is huge and very thick, thicker than a Snicker. So this is the mini controversy palette. Oh, that purple looks gorgeous, and I really like, what is that? The Simulation, My Apology, My Boyfriend's Purse looks gorgeous. This is beautiful. So, I don't know what's in here. What is this? This is like a little sample. I ordered mine off of Beautylish. The day it launched, I actually had Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I had Beautylish open depending on which one crashed first, so I had never ordered from Beautylish. I guess they gave me a little sample. This is Melt the Day Away Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm. I'll use it. I like this little bag. It's just a little velvet drawstring bag. Moving on, I got all 6 liquid lipstick shades, and after I had checked out, which was nerve-wracking, I checked out and I was reviewing my order and I noticed that I didn't get the lip balm, and when I went back, everything was sold out. So didn't get everything, but I got all the liquid lipsticks. So this is Jeffree What the Fuck. Oh my gosh. The packaging alone on these, let me turn this down so maybe you guys can see better. The packaging alone is gorgeous. I love this. And I also didn't get the gloss. I really wanted the gloss and the lip balm and I didn't get either, but it's okay. So this is Jeffree What the Fuck. That is so pretty. This is a really nice hot pink. I love it. We have Oh My God, which, oh my God, makes you just say, oh my God. This is just a really pretty baby pink shade. I don't own any shade like this in my collection, but in my Scene Kid days, this was my shit, okay? This baby pink shade. This is probably one of my, like, I was so excited for this. This is Are You Filming? Oh, the packaging, the presentation, everything is just gorgeous. This is a super pretty, more orange toned red. This is the shade Ryland, which is metallic. It's like a metallic baby pink. I don't think I have anything like this. That is super pretty. That I think I'll use this as like a lip topper more than anything. 2 shades left. I Gotta Go, which, ooh, this is like a bronzy metallic shade. I'm down to try it. This is super pretty. It's very reflective. I'm down. And then of course we have Shane. Oh my God. This is a really pretty, like, olivey brown metallic shade. Olivey brown. But like, it's like gunmetal, bronzy, olivey yumminess. I definitely want to wear that this fall. If you don't know, I'm doing a 200 subscriber giveaway here on my YouTube channel. I will have the video linked down below. If you have not entered already, you should definitely do that. It ends next Friday on November the 15th. But I'm only going to open one of these because the other one is going into my giveaway. Okay, so disregarding the fact that I destroyed the box over here, I ordered the black pigmere. This is adorable. This is way bigger than I anticipated. The mirror is very clear. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. This is super cute. I ordered the black one specifically for me because if I have the choice, I'm always going to choose the darker color. But to say thank you once again to my subscribers, I am going to be adding the pink pigmere into my giveaway. I'm going to set it right back here. And it is going to be going into my giveaway. So, yay! Make sure you check out the video if you have not already. I am super excited to play with these looks. James has been tripping watching this whole series with me.
Whoa, that's what it looks like in person.
And come around here so you're on TV. He has literally watched, there's the pink one for the giveaway. He has literally watched every video with me that's in this series. Don't flip it around to where it shines in the, but that is so nice. Every time a new video came out in the series, which of course it's not over, James was like, you know there's a new video out, do you want to watch it? I was waiting on you. So I wanted him to see this in person. Look at all this packaging. Look at how nice everything was wrapped up. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it. What?
Wait, let me open it and then you can hold it. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm sorry, he's been down.
It hurts.
Well, get over it. This is James, if you haven't met him already. Okay, you ready?
Ooh.
I haven't swatched anything. I haven't touched any of the shadows, but look how freaking pretty.
It is.
And like, hold it and open it. There's like a really good lip on it, so it doesn't like accidentally come open. It is so cool. It's gonna be so hard for me to store that with the kind of makeup storage I have. Like, open it for yourself so you can feel like there's a lip so it doesn't smack open by accident. That's my only problem so far with this. Of course, I haven't used any of the eyeshadows, is that this is gonna be really hard for me to store unless I like leave it out all the time. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel and go watch my giveaway video so you have a chance to win that pig mirror, and you know, you'll see what else you're winning in it. Bye, baby.
Bye.
I'm gonna get off of here and stop rambling, and we're gonna start editing this so we can try to get it up. But this is awesome. Just off my first impression of not even using anything. Oh, I didn't even notice. Look, they have their logo embossed on it. Did you see this, James?
Yes.
On the handle?
The logo.
So I am super psyched to try all of this. Oh my god. Not to quote Shane Dawson, but oh my god. Oh my god. This is awesome. I'm so happy I decided to take the jump and buy one of the new collections. Jeffree said this was going to be the holiday collection, so I'm super happy I got it. I wanted to get one of the palettes to add to my giveaway, but the amount of time that it took for this to sell out was insane. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Yeah, I'm really gonna stop talking now and hop off of here. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.